Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. EHunt has just released a brand new feature. The Etsy Offsite Ads Analysis tool is finally live, and it's already receiving great feedback from our users. With this tool, you can explore Etsy sellers' advertising strategies across Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook and discover potential winning products. Today, I'll walk you through how to use EHunt's ad library. The ad library is packed with powerful data. It now includes over 2.2 million off-site ads from Etsy shops and products, updated regularly. It supports basic queries and advanced queries, provides both advertiser analysis and product ad analysis for each ad. In the search bar, you can choose to search by Etsy copywriting, Etsy products, or shops. In the filter panel below, you can customize conditions such as ad duration, advertising channel, ad status, language, and target country. These options allow you to perform a basic search. If you need more precise results, you can use advanced search options, such as creative attributes and engagement metrics. EHunt analyzes both the advertiser and the ad itself for every entry. It shows which ads the advertiser is running and the total number of ads. At the same time, it provides insights into ad duration, days active, popularity, estimated impressions, and number of likes. Additional details include ad status, advertising channel, audience region, language, and creative dimensions. What's more, you can also download the ad creatives with one click or jump directly to the landing page. Now let's walk through a real example to see how this works in practice. Suppose I want to research ads for the keyword cup. First, I'll set the ad duration to the past 3 months. Select New Ads. Choose all channels and filter status by active. Set language to English and select first-time ads. For creative attributes, I'll include both images and videos. For engagement, I'll select all likes. After hitting search, EHunt returns 117 related ads. Once deduplicated, we get 22 ads that meet our conditions. Now, I can go through each ad and see which ones are performing best. If I find a winning strategy, I can adapt it for my own product and capture a share of the market. And that's how easy it is to use EHunt's ad library for Etsy Offsite ad analysis. With these insights, you can uncover high-performing ads, analyze competitors, and apply winning strategies to your own shop. Try out the new feature today and take your Etsy business to the next level with EHunt. That's all for today. See you next time.